Hi everybody, Mrs. Macheski here with your video overview for your assignments for the week of May 25th. It's hard to believe that it's already the last week of May. Wow. All right, so let's dive in. So as you can see from your weekly calendar, we have another 4-day week planned for you. So this block has been removed and your assignments have been shifted and shortened to accommodate that Memorial holiday break. So your assignments actually begin on Tuesday. That would be day one, and they would end on Friday, making it a 4-day week. All right. So let's start with our ELA assignments. You have 2 learning activities this week for ELA, and it is our final standards that we wanted to address for the 5th grade this year. So our first Nearpod module is focusing on cause and effect in informational text. And our second Nearpod is a review of how to use Greek roots to understand the meaning of difficult words as you read. These lessons correspond with your language arts curriculum Unit 5 Week 4 plans, which would help wrap up the year for us. Okay, the learning objective for this first cause and effect module is I can explain the cause and effect relationship between 2 or more individuals, events, ideas, or concepts in a nonfiction text. Okay. And then here in our second Nearpod module on Greek roots, your learning objective is I can use Greek roots to figure out the meaning of words. So both of these modules you'll see are shorter than in the previous weeks due to the shortened week, but they will give you some practice with how to use these skills. Okay. For the math assignments, you'll just need to go to your separate math assignments calendar for those. This week, we will be focusing on social studies, as the previous week was a science lesson. So for social studies, we're going to spend this week learning about the early English settlements, which is one of my favorite topics to teach in social studies. My read aloud story focuses on one of the settlements, as does the book club that I had assigned in EPIC if you chose to read that one. So the lesson, Early English Settlements, is actually correlates with your textbook with chapter 6. So the essential question was, what challenges faced the first English colonies? You're going to learn about the 3 first English colonies that were established in the New World and some of the challenges they faced and overcame. The learning objective is, I can identify challenges and compare and contrast the first 3 English settlements in the New World. So this Nearpod module is a lot of fun. You'll get to watch a video clip for each settlement, followed by a virtual outing that corresponds with that settlement, and then a review question. Okay, here are your unified arts assignments, as well as your optional library non-digital activity for the week. You can also access these assignments by individually going to the Google Classroom for that teacher. Okay. Down below, just a few reminders that I always link. Here's the link for our Monday Zoom lesson. I'll be going over and practicing cause and effect with you and Greek roots. And then on Wednesday, we will take a virtual field trip this week. It's going to be a little bit different. I wanted to try to highlight what would have been our Paxton Hollow middle school visit trip. So we'll be talking about middle school, some questions we have, and trying out working with lockers and answering some questions about middle school that you might have moving forward. Okay. Over here, just a reminder for this week, your assignments are due by Friday. So we're back to the Friday deadline at 3:30 is the goal to try and get your activities completed. I will also make sure to post the next week's assignments at the same time. And as always, if you have any questions throughout the week, any problems, or any concerns, you are welcome to contact any of these Unified Arts teachers, as well as me, of course. So message me in Google Hangouts if you have any questions or through Google Classroom, and I will get back to you. All right. Thank you, everybody, for another wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you virtually soon. Bye.